Welcome back to my channel. It's me, VarkMarker. In this video, I demonstrate how to install Virtualbox in Linux Mint. Open the terminal. Commands are in the description. You can copy and paste them. Close the terminal. Open the Virtualbox. If you get this error while opening Virtualbox, press the OK button and open the terminal. Enter the commands shown on the screen. Also, the commands are in the description. You can copy and paste them into the terminal. Close the terminal. Open the Virtualbox. We successfully installed Virtualbox in Linux Mint. If this video helped to install Virtualbox in Linux Mint, then give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions for me, comment below. I want to improve my video. Your comments and suggestions are more important. Have a nice day.